Mommy spilled warming wax on the babies. 3 of them. I can't get it off. The vet doesn't know anything to get it off. And our little girl over there, hers got a bad spot on her skin from it. So, right there. So we're just doing penicillin on it until hopefully it grows out. That's all the vet knew to do. We didn't realize that it was plugged up in the room, and I guess she thought it was something to eat. And she got it and pulled it down into the bed with the babies. Luckily it wasn't hot and they didn't scream in pain. But it won't come off. They get the little babies. Well, October the 26th. Getting around good, but look at him growling and barking. Oh, look at that. We had them in the house first 7 or 8 days. Mama wanted to get out, so we brought him out. A little bitty boy. Yeah, there he is. Little bitty boy. Solid white. Little girl, little girl.